Are your guides clean? Guides are very important components that directly impact the performance of fishing rods, such as sensitivity, casting distance, balance, and so on. After a fishing trip, there are various types of dirt that build up onto the guides, such as salt, dust, leftovers of light bait, and fish line. If dirt is left that remains on guides, then rust will eventually develop. This could impact negatively onto the rod performance. Here is an experiment result, simulating a guide that has not been cleaned. The accumulation of dirt can cause rust and corrosion. Once rust has built up, it cannot be removed by simply washing with water. It cannot be restored to its original state, and it will become irreparable. What makes the biggest difference is cleaning immediately after fishing. The important thing is doing easy maintenance to prevent dirt from being left on the guide. 3 steps for easy maintenance are: wash, wipe, and dry. After fishing trip, please check for dirt on the guides and wash thoroughly with running water. Wash gently using fingers and thumb. You can use a toothbrush to brush gently if necessary. After that, wipe carefully it with a towel and let it dry thoroughly in the well-ventilated area. In addition, using a rust inhibitor provides even greater preventive effect. Doing easy maintenance after fishing trips keeps the guide performing at its best and looking new. Proper maintenance will keep your gear in great shape for years to come.